Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming contents and prepping the scalp. This matters because product contact needs to be precise. Apply cleanser, rinse, and towel dry until damp. Make sure to remove oils that block absorption. Open one serum ampoule and load the applicator. Hold it like a pen for control. Once done, part hair in 1/2-inch sections and apply directly to the scalp at the roots. Press gently so serum contacts skin, not hair shafts, which maximizes active delivery. You now focus on dosing and mechanical stimulation because both boost efficacy. Dispense about 0.5 ml into every 1-inch section, moving methodically from the hairline to the crown so coverage is even. Once applied, use your fingertips to massage each area for 60 to 90 seconds. This increases circulation and helps the formula penetrate. Make sure to leave the product on for at least 10 minutes before any styling. Heat or washing too soon will reduce absorption and blunt results. You finish by locking the routine into a consistent schedule because consistency produces measurable change. Use the kit daily for the recommended 8 to 12 weeks, then reassess density. After visible gains, you may reduce frequency to maintenance. Store ampoules upright at room temperature and discard any broken vials. If you experience redness or burning, stop immediately. Once calm, perform a patch test on inner forearm and, if needed, consult support or a dermatologist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.